Hi there! Today we're fixing Starbucks for Life not working. So stick around for some quick tips. First things first, check out the Starbucks website or their social media for any known issues with the Starbucks for Life game, as they usually share updates and solutions on their official pages if something's up. Next is you can also try to just simply close the Starbucks app and opening it again. This is like a quick refresh that usually takes care of any temporary glitches. Next up is if you're using a web browser, clear the cache and cookies for the Starbucks website, as this might help if there are problems with the old data or temporary files messing with the game. Also, make sure you're logged in into the right Starbucks Rewards account for your game pieces. If you're not sure about your login details, no worries as you can always reset your password. And don't forget to ensure your internet connection is solid and strong. The Starbucks for Life game needs a good connection to work smoothly. If you're still running into trouble after all that, just drop a message to Starbucks customer support as they can assist you with more detailed steps or pass the problem onto their tech team.